Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate keyboard clipboard on your Motorola Defy. So in order to do this, we'll need to open any app that allows our keyboard to pop up, and in this case I'll be using Messages. From here you should see this icon right here, which means it's a clipboard. Now in order to enable it, you can press on Turn on Clipboard or click on this icon right here. That way you'll be able to enable this clipboard, and now you can start using it. So first thing is to delete this icons right here, this clipboard saved text. So simply click on the edit button, this pen right here, select each of the clipboard text you want to delete, and then press on this trash icon. Now we've just deleted the items. If you deleted anything that you didn't want to, you can press on this undo button. Now let's add something to our clipboard. So we're gonna choose the word elephant. You can do it with full sentences as well, so it doesn't need to be one word. Let's type in elephant. Now we'll need to hold our finger onto that word and click on copy. From here, let's go back to our main keyboard, select the clipboard icon, and here we can see our clipboard elephant. Now let's delete it like this. And also, if you want to turn off this clipboard, simply click on this icon again. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.